When you open a sheet with data in it, Google Sheets will look at your columns to see if any could easily be converted to drop-down lists. Position the mouse over the prompt to preview how your sheet would look with these columns converted. Click on the prompt to convert the columns. You can amend a drop-down list at any time by clicking on the drop-down arrow and clicking on the Edit icon. Click on Add another item and click on Done when complete. Choose to apply the new value to all rows in the sheet. You can convert a column manually to a drop-down list by selecting the column of values, clicking on the Insert menu and choosing Drop-down. Click on Done. Thank you for watching. Contact us at Ancoris to find out more about Google Workspace.